Welcome back to SketchMD. In today's video, we will be discussing about our body's first step in producing energy, which is glycolysis. But before jumping into the concept, we need to first understand the energy equation. It's a simple equation stating that a cell can take up glucose and oxygen and give out carbon dioxide and water with the production of ADP, which is also known as the energy currency of the cell. As I first said in the introduction, glycolysis is one of the three major steps in which our body converts food into energy. The process of glycolysis is followed by Krebs cycle, which is then followed by electron transport chain reaction. Now let's try to understand where all this process takes place. Now you're seeing are the basic parts of the cell. As you can see, the process of glycolysis will take place in the cell cytoplasm, then Krebs cycle and mitochondrial matrix, and finally the electron transport chain in the inner mitochondrial membrane. Now that all the basics are cleared up, let's dive into the core process. Here at first, glucose will be converted to glucose 6-phosphate with the help of an ADP. Then it will be converted to fructose 6-phosphate, which is then converted to fructose 1,6-bisphosphate again with the help of an ADP. This concludes the first phase. In the second phase, the fructose 1,6-bisphosphate will get split into dihydroxyacetone phosphate and glyceroldehyde 3-phosphate. This G3P will then be converted into 1,3-biphosphoglycerate, then to 3-phosphoglycerate by losing a phosphate molecule, which then converted into 2-phosphoglycerate, then to phosphenol pyruvate by losing a water molecule, and finally into pyruvate. Now let's look at the enzymes helping in all these processes. Each glycolysis process will produce 2 pyruvate molecules. Let's discuss about the important things which makes up the glycolysis. Phosphofructokinase is the key or rate-regulating enzyme. The net gain of energy is 2 ADP molecules. The hormone insulin will stimulate the glycolysis, but the hormone glucagon will inhibit this process. Well, that's it, folks. I hope you understood this topic. This is my second video on my channel. If you made it through to the end, please consider subscribing to my channel for more medical videos. Thank you.